Camp 26 here, just repairs and hobbies. And we've got Elvira here. And we've got to fill in and do her legs. Right here. I hope everybody's doing well today. It's Memorial Weekend. And I think there's a lot of good things going on, like cookouts and stuff like that. That'll be fun, huh? Having a cookout, playing some games and stuff in the yard, you know. That's fun too. But we're just doing Elvira here. I gotta paint her shoes black. We're using a flesh color here. And it seems like her hands are just really not there very well. Giving a shout out to Ben Cruiser. He's got a channel. He does music and hockey. Go watch his channel. And also Horny Inquirer, I think it's called. He does really interesting stuff. He's got really a lot of collections of different things. It's a tough name for me to pronounce, so if I mispronounce it, I'm very sorry. But he's got a cool channel too. He's got all kinds of different collections and games, electronic games. Try to stay happy, have fun. I thought I had a green here, but I think I'm going to make this base a yellow. I'm going to open up this wash right here. Put that in the wash. Take another one here. And get some black here. Go in like that. I hope you're going to see this, so my big fat head is not in the way. Yeah, getting back to, I think, Vin Cruiser it's called. He takes some pretty hard shots, let me tell you, at the net, at the hockey net. I mean, he nails it. He nails those shots like you wouldn't believe. Really needs to be on a team. I don't know, I tried hockey skates when I was a kid, and I just couldn't get used to him, you know. He not only does that, he does grass hockey too. You know, where you have the rollers, I guess, or the blades. I don't know. It's not of my generation. So I don't know about it. I didn't have the ankles for it to do that kind of sports. I did swimming. I did baseball. Got hit in the head with the baseball. Line drive. I was looking at a girl, and somebody hit the ball, and I got hit right between the eyes. I guess serves me right. I guess not paying paying attention to the game. We've got the printer going in the background. We're making more charity little boats. They're really called benchies. You know, I don't know why they call it benchy, but I guess it's like a bench test. But they're these little boats you make. They're really cool, and the kids love to paint them. You know. She's got a knife on here. It's like right there. I just painted over. It's got to dry now. But we're gonna do the base next. Do this down here more. Stick that in there and let's twirl that around. Take a bigger brush. I call these slob brushes actually, because they're like a big brush to me, and they move more paint around. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna go in with this yellow. I think this yellow will be good. This is an acrylic paint. It's easy to wash off your hands. Not so easy to wash off your clothes though. I found that gets on your clothes. It's pretty well sticks to your clothes. So you may want to use an apron or a smock over your clothes. I just wear an old T-shirt, but you may want to use a smock. You can get those at the Michaels. Maybe Michaels have them. I don't know. They should. They don't, but they're good to work in. Yeah, this is Wicked Colors. I use Wicked Colors. I use a lot of Wicked Colors. You can get those from Spraygunner. And I also just use Walmart paint, Apple. It's a good paint, believe it or not. Doing the side here. Good way to wash your hands with acrylic is get some Fast Orange. It has the grit in it, and it'll get your hands clean really quick. So I don't put that in every video, but pick up little tips as we go along here. I'll give you little tips of what to do. We go back to a smaller brush because we have to go in here, pick up some black, and believe it or not, she's got a shoe here. It goes right to the floor. fix that flooring there a little bit. And just in the front here, put some black there. But you really can't get the side of her shoe. And bring that down to a point like that. And put these in together, push them around. Lay them down like that. So, I don't know if the white's still good, but I can try it. Let's see if this white, yeah, the white's still good. We're gonna take the white. You see the dagger here? We're just gonna go over it. Outline it with the white. Like that. Stick that brush in there, and then we got to go back to a smaller brush again. We just make sure the water is off your brush. Take it and go on your paper like this. Put down a piece of blue cloth or paper towel and just go over it. If you see when you do your brush, you're getting, paint off it and it's not the same color as what you're using. Like this is the black, that's okay, I can use it. So you could go into the black, but if it was, another color and you're going into white, you don't want to do that. So we got to take her and we got to get a little paint off there. 2 slash marks there for her eyebrows. Okay. The side here, we got to get the side, and we're going to go in, and I think we're going to go in with a toothpick. Where did I put my toothpicks? I put them away here somewhere. I don't know what I did with them. Got my glasses on. I don't know what I did with my toothpicks. I need my toothpicks. So much stuff here to paint with, Oh, here they are. They're up there. Let's take a toothpick, clean one. And we're going to put the toothpicks where we're going to put them right there where we can find them. So, take your toothpicks, got a nice little sharp point. Dot it once into your tray. Okay, turn her upside down. Dot it on the paper. Yeah, that didn't work. There we go. There, we got her eyes in there. You just wipe your toothpick on the paper towel. You can save it, put it to the side with your brushes. We got to pick up another brush here. I hate that when it happens. I want this cloth to just stay down. Anybody got an idea of having your cloth stay down without gluing it? I want it to stay down and like that. Pull like that. Let's go over it, clean this more up. See, like that? Nice and clean. No paint is rolling off of that. You're spinning the brush. So let's go back with the flush tone, because see the side here? We missed the side. I'm gonna go in here, fill in the side. And light right here, we're gonna fill in. on this side. Remember, your models are three-dimensional. You know, they're not a flat surface. Try to have me paint a picture, a portrait on a flat surface, forget it. I just can't do it. You know, I'll leave that up to Eve Plum, Jan of the Brady Bunch. She's very good at painting portraits of different things with her paints. She's an artist. I'm very good at doing clay. I could do clay very well, sculpturing in clay. Got to get in here. And, I'm mostly like to do objects mostly. Mostly I like to do objects. We've got some spots here where it needs black paint. And this is just a small sponge brush. Just small sponge brush. See, like right here I screwed up. That. Face it a little more. Some spots on the bottom here and want to get, if you know the top of the head is dry, you can use that to spin it and hold the object. Always try to hold it with clean hands. And she's done. She's done. I'll show you close up. There she is. So thanks for watching my channel. I really appreciate it. You guys keep me company, so to speak. And when you give me the thumbs up, it's like, okay, I'm doing something right at least. And I appreciate you watching. Subscribing also and sharing, So put that in the bag. I put the paint in the bag. See, like this, I'll show you. It keeps it fresh, believe it or not. Have a great day, guys. See you next time.